The weekly drawing projects are aimed both at people who want to learn to draw, who are beginners, and people who already have some experience in drawing. There is going to be a range of subject matter. Got some examples here. From still life, fruit, things from the kitchen cupboard, working outside in the garden, other still life objects, and working with the interior. Here an exercise in composition, putting a figure into an interior. Here working tonally with the light and shade to capture the tonal or value contrast of a setup. And others working in colour with form and light. Some of the materials that I'll be encouraging you to use, and I can guide you in obtaining, include working with pencil, using chalk pastels for colour, and a technique building up willow charcoal first and then applying colour on top, and willow charcoal as well. I'm very keen on a nice fluid and loose material. So the projects will begin on a Wednesday with the sending out of a link to a demonstration video with a prompt for a particular exercise, working, as I say, with still life, interior subjects, sometimes outdoors, sometimes working with the figure. The video will be a prompt for some particular steps, exercises to take, in which I'll help you explore the materials and challenge you. As I say, it can range from people who are learning to draw, so some initial steps for those who are just beginning, but also, I mean, this is the great thing about working with art. You can work at different levels depending on your experience and your particular ambition. So it's also possible for me to target this at more experienced people who want to be pushed further and want to develop their own way of drawing. So the Wednesday is the sending out of the project. And then during the course of Wednesday, I can communicate with people. You can WhatsApp me or send me an email with questions, and I can give feedback and advice and guidance on working on the drawings. And then that, depending on how your week is arranged, you can continue to work on these projects with my encouragement. And then the following Tuesday, we have a kind of collecting together of some examples of the work and an arranged Zoom meeting where we can look at examples and I can give a final piece of feedback. So it's great to see how other people are tackling the same subject in their more individual way. So if you're interested in that, you should be in touch with me and let me know if you want to be included on the list, and we'll see where we get to with our weekly drawing projects.